Since winning the challenge, Greentide has increased its production base and optimized its novel and naturally derived insecticidal and fungicidal metabolites. The company is now heavily focused on product development into overseas markets, particularly into the United States. Greentide has widened the host range and scope of products, with new markets opening up in home and garden, as well as turf sectors, in conjunction with other progressive Kiwi companies.
Greentide is a bioagritech company, and we're passionate about removing toxic pesticides from the food chain. There's two warring factions. On one side there's the public who doesn't want toxic pesticides in the food chain anymore, and on the other side is the growers who say they can only use pesticides to get economically sustainable yields. So Greentide is the bridge in the middle. We're developing reliable technology for growers to ensure that the customers are satisfied and the growers are achieving what they want to do, which is reliable control. We've developed a range of indigenous fungi in New Zealand that eat insects. And all of our products are organically certified because the fungi have no toxicity to humans, and they've been in the environment for billions of years. So they've co-evolved with insects and they've co-evolved with human beings. So what happens is the fungi grab hold of an insect, punch a hole through the side of it, put a root system in like a plant, and then consume it as a food source. And it has absolutely no toxicity to the environment. Since winning the challenge, we have expanded our production base. We've spent over $2.5 million to do that. To be honest, without winning the challenge and getting the money from that, we wouldn't have been able to buy our bioreactor, and our bioreactor is the most critical thing to be able to increase our production base. We've developed a fantastic relationship with the business school. We've opened Chiasma, we've had MBA students here do a thesis. They've clearly given us a direction to our board that we establish a beachhead in California, and we're following that like a Bible. We're currently negotiating to get an MBE student here, so we're very, very happy and thrilled with the relationship we've established.